Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide is about removing the new ransomware type program which is called BlueKey. BlueKey is a ransomware. It attacks many files today, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other documentation. This happens because of certain vulnerabilities in the system. So now you can clearly see that before the ransomware attack, there are no problems opening any file types. Regretfully, some computers are not duly protected, some computers are vulnerable, some security programs that claim to be effective are not so effective as they claim to be. This results in intrusion of this ransomware and other more serious malware. Even though ransomware is indeed absolutely serious because it encrypts files and does not allow people to use their documents anymore. Pretty soon you will see the consequences, the results of the ransomware attack on your files. Typically, you may trace some malicious processes that could be related to this ransomware through the task manager. So that's a good idea. If you have seen some of your files to be already damaged and encrypted by this ransomware, consider checking the task manager. So go to the task manager, look for any suspicious processes with long and random names, and if you find them, you should right-click on them and terminate them. This can help you save at least some of your files from being damaged or encrypted by this particular ransomware. Unfortunately, it is often too late, and this ransomware may perform its malicious work. So you try to open this specific file, and this is the message that you get, saying that Windows cannot open this type of file with the BlueKey extension. The same applies to all other files. You cannot open it. The ransomware drops this ransom note on the computer screen mentioning that the files are encrypted and that you need to pay the ransom for file recovery. But paying the ransom is not a good solution. This does not guarantee that the files will be restored even if you pay the ransom. So we recommend you to immediately remove this ransomware. We suggest that you do that with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus. To download it, you might need to use Internet Explorer because other browsers and their desktop shortcuts may also be modified by this ransomware. So through Internet Explorer browser, go to the official page combocleaner.com, download Combo Cleaner using this green download button, install the software and begin researching and investigating your system. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Yet it is sufficient enough to detect this ransomware. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its anti-malware database, and this is obviously crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware. After the anti-malware database gets fully updated, the program will begin scanning, researching, and investigating your system. While this scanning is taking place, please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. This feature allows you to add one or even several folders that will always be protected, but this feature is the part of the premium license only. You need to wait some time until the scanning is successfully accomplished. Then the program will give you the summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scan. The summary of threats will show you the names of the threats which were found. It will also tell you the locations of these threats on your computer. Of course, based on that information, you may remove some threats manually, but I do recommend that you still consider upgrading to premium because this is the best solution to keep your files always protected from any malware or ransomware in the future.